How to fix can't do video call on Facebook Messenger. Let's get started. First thing first, you need to head over to your settings. Inside settings, scroll down and move into apps. Here in the source bar, you need to search for Messenger and then move into it. It will land you on this page. In this page, you have to make sure that the microphone and camera option is toggled on. Once you have enabled, now head over to App Store. In the search bar, search for Messenger. Move ahead to this app. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and this might be one of the reasons that you are facing the issue on Messenger. In this case, simply tap on update and update your app. Most of the time, updating the app has fixed the issue, so you might also be good to go. That's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll be seeing you in the next one. Thank you.